In front of me is Redmi Note 14s, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On from this developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK in Welcome pop-up and go into Tab menu. Following that, in order to continue, you need to edit your shortcuts by hitting Edit at the bottom. Then look for Caffeine shortcut and click on this plus at the top right corner of it to add it to your currently used ones. When ready, click on this check mark at the top right corner and then tap on your shortcut. Now you need to click on this switcher next to allow modifying system settings. Go back and click on the same shortcut again. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that infinite sleep time is on. To switch it off, tap on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!